To set app icon page style to number in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap advanced setting, tap app icon page. Under the page style section, select number. Now your phone will display a page as a small red circle icon with a number in it on an app icon to let you know that you have 100 notifications on this app and how many of them. As the example, if you have 200 notifications on your WhatsApp, then you will see that there's a small red circle icon on this app icon with number 2 in it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.